Hello. Remember me? It's your friend. What's your favorite scary movie? I'm asking you because soon you will be in my movie. Yes, you will soon be in my movie. A scary horror movie. And soon it's going to be showtime. How do you feel about dying? Would you like to die tonight? I would love if you do, because I want to see your guts. I want to see what your guts look like. I promise you, it won't even hurt. But if you want to be in the hospital, I'd be happy to put you there in the morgue. Listen up. Whenever I call you tonight, you'd better answer the phone. If you ever hang up on me again, I'll cut you up like a chicken. I'll cut you up like a chicken. Bye, my little friend. I will see you tonight.